Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this another video of learning Typescript, we will see the types of data type available in Typescript and how we can use those. So as you see this, here we have example of the text variable we have. So here we just type here string. You see, we can do like this. If we have a numerical variable, so I can say that, for example, roll number, and I say number, and I can say like this, and we say console.log, and here we pass the roll number. Simple one. So we just start to compile this. We say tsc first.ts and we say w, it will automatically run, and now we see to command prompt, and here we will see that node and first.js, and we have these value because it will be converted into this code. Now here this is the one way, and we have a boolean variable also, so we may have like check, and we say boolean and we say it true, so that we can also display and check the value like that, and I just save, and automatically it convert into JS, and we see that we have it true here. So like this. But if we don't want to specify a data type, remember that one thing you have to remember here, that if this is a string type, so I can't enter some another type of data here. Remember that, because it's a must to understand in Typescript that if we specify a data type, then we can't change the value to another data type. That is the goal, we should understand. Now we have the one more way to declare these variable, like if you see, it's a this type of declaration is called explicit type. Explicit types. But we may declare one another way also. I say let, I say name, and I directly pass it to Dr. Vipin like this. Save this, and you see we have a name variable, and it's giving a error, one type of error, that if somebody is using this name in another file, then it is also available. So for that we can use here the one syntax export like this, and save this, export and save this. So this error will go on because it check in another file, if name is available then it give the error. So that for removing that, we can put here export and the blank one, and then it error remove. So I have this variable, remember, and I can use it like this, console.log that name. It's very simple. I save it and I compile it. You see we have this file, this data. But the problem here, you see that automatically this is converted into a string. Remember, here I do explicitly and here the Typescript doing implicitly. It's implicit type. Okay. Now can we change the value to another? No. You see, we can't change this value, because once you initialize into a string, then it's remain a string, not number or other data type. So that is the rule. So we have a string, we have a number, we have a boolean. If directly we pass the value, then automatically is convert to the same data type. Now we have another data type also. Those data type are like, we have I say let, and I say choice, for example, and it does not give any value here. Remember that I am not providing any value here. So I say here choice is I say JavaScript, for example. I save this. Now I display this also, console dot log, and I pass here choice. You see, and I save it and I compile it. You see we have a JavaScript. Remember that I am not passing any data type here. I am not passing any value also. So I am not passing a value. You see the data type is any. So if I am not passing any value, that means data type is any. Like we have it in JavaScript. Now can we change the value of this? Yes. You see now I can pass any type of value in this. It would not give any error. You see, I pass JavaScript, then in same variable I pass 20, because if I am not passing any value, so Typescript does not judge what is the type of this value, and any type of value you can pass here. You can pass boolean type also. You can pass boolean type also like this. Save this, and if you run this, then you will see that we have 2. So whatever you want you can do if this data type is any. But once I initialize the value, then everything is wrong. Remember this. So it's any. Now we can create constant also like this, same way, but constant cannot be any type like this. If I say constant and I say price, for example, price. So I can't say price as a empty because it cannot be any type. We have to declare it because constant have a value. So we have to declare. Now it become the numerical value. You see, it will become the number value. Okay. So it will convert into the number. Now I can use it. Like this, save it, and again if I compile, you see it coming. And remember that automatically we are just compiling this here. Automatically it's compiling and running on the basis of save, and we have the output. So here you see that we have a constant variable, so we can't change it value. So whatever we initialize, so we have this. Now we have more data type also, but they are not widely used. For example, if I say variable and I say name undefined, so this is also undefined type of data type, you see, but we can initialize only undefined in it like this. Like we have a null, we say name null, and we have a null type of data type, and we can specify only null value like this. So we have undefined, we have null also, we have unknown also. If I say, you see, name unknown, so we can specify unknown data type like this, and now in unnamed data type we can specify any value. We say, if I try to specify, so you see this is undefined, we say unknown. You see, so it was unknown, but now I specify this unknown as a string. Now I try to specify some another value here like this, you see. So if you see, it is behaving like a any. So it is unknown. Save this, I compile this, you see it's behaving like a any, like this. Any we have, so unknown we have, it behave like a any, and we prefer to use unknown in place of any. It is better, but we have such kind of data type that we have to understand. We have unknown similar to any, but unknown is more you can say unknown is better to use in place of any as per the programmer point of view. But it here for fresher, you just understand that it's all are similar to use, and we have such kind of data type available here in TypeScripts. So that's all in this video about data types in TypeScript. If you understand, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.